Ever wondered how to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and immunity? Today, we're making ginger, turmeric, and lemon shots. This little golden drink will wake your system up, boosts your immunity, and keeps inflammation far away. For the full list of ingredients, do check the description below. Let's dive in. Start by washing and peeling your ginger, lemon, and turmeric. Cut them into small chunks so your blender handles them easily. Add the pieces into a blender. Pour in about a cup of water. And blend until smooth. Strain the mixture using a fine sieve to get a smooth juice. You can add a pinch of pepper at this point. This helps your body absorb curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Stir in a little honey if you'd like it sweeter, and your shot is ready. Now let's talk about why this little shot is such a health game changer. Some health benefits includes 1. It boosts immunity, packed with antioxidants and vitamin C that help fight off colds and infections. 2. It reduces inflammation. Turmeric and ginger are natural anti-inflammatories that ease joint pain and muscle soreness. 3. It improves digestion, great for bloating, nausea, and keeping your gut happy. 4. It aids detoxification. Lemon helps your liver flush out toxins while keeping your skin glowing. 5. It speeds up metabolism, helps with weight management and energy levels. 6. It enhances mental clarity. Ginger and turmeric improve blood flow, helping you stay alert and focused. This shot is small but mighty, perfect to take in the morning before breakfast. It wakes your system up in the best way possible. Try this for 7 days straight and you'll feel the difference. More energy, less fatigue, and better digestion. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with someone who loves healthy living. See you in the next one.